Optical engineering and science affect almost every aspect of our lives. Here at CBS, we've been providing scientists and engineers with optical simulation software, measurement systems, and consulting since 2006. Our offices in Canada, Japan, and Europe enable us to serve customers such as governments, large technology companies, and R&D facilities around the globe. Whether you're building an optomechanical system or measuring stray light in an existing model, CBS will help you create the best designs with precise and accurate measurements. We are the exclusive distributor for Photon Engineering's optical software products in Canada, Japan, South Korea, and Europe. FRED Optical Engineering Software is a general-purpose ray tracing software used in a wide range of industries such as aerospace, illumination, laser systems, and biomedical. In Canada and Japan, we are the exclusive distributor of Photon Design's photonic CAD software products. FimWave, FimProp, PicWave, OmniSim, Herald, and EpiProp enable the design of both active and passive photonics components and photonics integrated circuits. CBS is the exclusive North American and Japanese distributor for Opsira's optical measurement systems, providing customizable measurement systems for the general lighting, automotive, signal, and medical lighting industries. With years of industry experience, we provide technical support, design, and analysis services to assist the entire R&D process from evaluating the initial proof of concept to the debugging of prototype performance and stray light analysis of large optical systems. CBS provides basic, advanced, and customized training courses for the use of optical engineering software. As one of the largest distributors of optical simulation software, we are one of 2 companies in the world uniquely qualified to provide consulting and training on the advanced use of optical simulation software. Additionally, we also build our own optics-based software and applications to support companies during their R&D processes. We are ready to help you find the right optical solution for your work and projects. Contact us today to learn more.